Wala, parang tanga siya.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oo. Uy, tanggalin ko na to.
Ivy, Kate, Laksina. Birthday man ni Oli ngayon, pero you deserve to be celebrated just as he has. I thank God every day sa'yo. Your courage, your humility, your kindness, and yung love na binibigay mo sa akin at sa mga babies natin. For being brave, for fighting silent battles on your own, and for being the strongest version I know. And I admire you so much for that. No words could express how lucky I am to have you each and every day sa buhay ko. Pasensya na sa pagkukulang ko. Sorry sa mga nagawa kong mali. Hindi man ako perfect na tao, pero if you give me the chance, ipapakita ko sa'yo na deserving ako sa'yo for the rest of my life. Mahal na mahal kita, Adi. Always. Sure.
I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars, 'cause you love the part. You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky.